Welcome to this KnowledgeSmart support video. This is Lisa Taylor, and today I wanted to take you through a number of workflows inside the team manager area. So the first thing we can do as a manager is go to My Teams, and we can see the teams that have been created with me as a manager. And when I click a team name, that will open up, of course, the team members and then any user skills captured. So as a manager, I can click this plus icon here to then open up the skill ratings for a specific user. And I can, of course, click match all and apply my individual manager ratings. Clicking save changes to then making sure those changes are locked in. The second thing I can do on this screen is I can actually jump over to the user profile. So that might be really helpful during a review meeting or perhaps, a discussion with the user. So notice this fluidity between the manager and the user profile. So back in the manager profile then, I can also go to team skills. And here I get a good summary view of all the team members and which teams they belong in. So it's quite handy to see which team members are members of multiple teams. And then if I select the username here, I'm taken to a summary view of this user's skill ratings, and I can also view the manager rating. But when I go to the bottom of this screen, I also have this button here called View History. And then when I select that button, I am presented with a skill progression audit trail. So here I can see the skills, when was the last change made, and who made that change, with a couple of other key statistics. So it's just important to understand what you can do under My Teams and then what you can do under Team Skills. The manager can, of course, take advantage of the Export Skills to CSV button, which is also presented at a few other places within the profile. And that allows the manager to take an export of the data should that data then need to be imported into another company system, or perhaps just exported to view or exported as a data source for business intelligence software such as Power BI or Tableau. Here you can see an example of the data that you will find in that CSV export as a manager. So looking at the user's first name, last name, then the skill that was rated, the user rating, the manager rating, the difference between the two and the average between the two, as well as the last user change date. And then the last thing I'm going to touch on is the ability for the manager to then also look at team assessment scores. So this is a really big value add for KnowledgeSmart, because the manager is able to look whether the skill ratings captured are in alignment with the test scores that have been captured. Because sometimes users' own understanding of their skills can be very different from the actual picture. So I would like to encourage you to open this platform up to your managers, engage them in this very valuable data, and create your teams so that your skills data can then be analyzed by manager or by team name or team ID if you like. If you have any questions regarding the manager profile or regarding the My Teams area, please feel free to reach out to us. We're always happy to have a conversation. See you in the next one.